The Amaze has done rather well for Honda but did not receive any updates since its launch in 2013. Now Honda has done just that, giving their sub 4 meter sedan a fresh lease of life with a facelift. The updates outside may look mild in comparison to the ones inside, but you have to admit the car looks a lot more appealing now. Changes outside are limited to a new grille, front bumper and tail lights. The grille is now wider and has more chrome, looking similar to the ones on the Honda City and Mobilio. The front bumper is a redesigned unit and looks more muscular, especially with its flared nostril-like ends that house the fog lamps. The car looks the same from the sides, but a set of new tail lights ensure it looks a lot more appealing from the rear thanks to the new design of these tail lamps. Inside, the Amaze gets an all-new dashboard. This is the same unit as the one on the soon-to-be launched BRV and looks a lot more premium than the older one with its two-tone beige and black theme. The layout is a lot better too, and we particularly liked the center console with the infotainment system and smart-looking display for the air conditioning unit. Surprisingly, the display for the infotainment system is still a monochrome unit and is not a colored touchscreen. The steering wheel gets a thicker rim now, though the wheel itself is the same as before. The instrument cluster now gets a 3D look to add more appeal to it, and it does look nice. Mechanically, the car remains the same and is powered by a 1.2-litre petrol and 1.5-litre diesel engine, though Honda is now offering the option of a CVT transmission on the petrol version, which is a segment first. Prices for the new Amaze begin at Rs 5.29 lakh rupees ex-showroom New Delhi for the base petrol version, going up to Rs 8.19 lakh for the top-of-the-line diesel with the 5-speed manual gearbox. The pricing is great for what the Amaze offers, and thanks to the updates, the car looks all set to challenge its competitors once again in the fiercely battled sub 4 meter sedan space.